Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Cucumber Mint Face Mask for Beautifuk Skin. This mask is perfect for anyone with oily skin. Cucumber has a number of benefits for aiding in beautiful skin. It is high in silica, which is a mineral that keeps our connective tissue together and keeps them strong. Silica helps keep skin looking younger by stopping the aging process and repairing weak skin by retaining more water in the skin. Normally skin ages more rapidly when water can't be held well because the connective tissues become too weak. Silica strengthens skin tissues. Cucumbers also help with skin that is damaged by the sun or that is acne-prone. This vegetable hydrates your skin properly without making you more oily. Mint extract or leaves are beneficial for fighting blackheads on the skin. It can also fight acne and make your skin look clear and fresh and feel fresh too. Lemon juice is a wonderful natural astringent that will help control oily areas on your face while leaving your skin with a beautiful glow. Ingredients: 2 medium cucumbers, 2 tablespoons mint extract or 1/4 cup fresh chopped mint leaves, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of clean water. Sterilized jar with lid. This is B.C. This recipe makes enough for 1 month worth of product that can be stored in a refrigerator. Preparation: wash the cucumbers and dry, then cut into large pieces and blend in a blender or food processor until completely smooth. Strain out the liquid and dispose of the liquid. Only save 1/2 cup of the cucumber solids for the face mask. In a microwave-safe glass bowl, mix the cucumber, lemon juice, and water and microwave for 4 minutes. Mix in the mint extract or leaves and microwave for an additional 3 minutes. Then let the mask cool in the bowl till warm but not hot and put some of the contents on your clean face until covered well. Pour the remaining mask into the sterile jar and seal tight and store in a cold refrigerator for up to 1 month to use at your leisure. Rinse the mask off with warm water after 20 minutes and apply an oil-free moisturizer.